Hey everyone! Locked out of your Windows PC because you forgot your password? No stress in this quick tutorial. I'll walk you through how to reset your Windows password easily, whether you're using Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset using Windows Password Reset USB. Step 1. Select the local user account on the Windows 10 login screen. Step. When the wrong password prompt pops up, click OK, and you will see a blue Reset Password link. Step 5. Insert the password reset disk into your computer and click the blue link. Step 6. Then, follow the password reset wizard to reset your Windows 10 password. Part 1. Create Windows Password Reset USB. Step 1. Launch AOMEI Partition Assistant and select Tools. Reset Windows Password. Step 2. Select Next after reading to create a bootable USB. Step 3. Select one from the 3 available options according to your needs and click Continue. Here we use USB for demonstration. Step 4. This step requires formatting the USB drive and all data will be deleted. Please back up all important files. Step 5. Wait for the WinP bootable USB drive to be created. Then insert the USB into the computer where you want to reset or remove the password. Part 2. Reset password. Step 1. Change the boot order to make the PC boot from the USB after inserting the created reset USB. Step 2. Select Reset Password and click Next to select the operating system. Step 3. Select the target account and required functions. Click Next. Note, you can select Delete Account Password or Reset Account Password from the 2 options under the window. Step 4. Enter the new password in the window and click Yes after confirmation. Step 5. After the operation is completed, click Restart Computer to restart the computer. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.